Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Tripti, student number NPS 2336. Today, me and my friends are here to give a presentation on our title, Reporting Environment and Conceptual Framework. We are group 3 with 6 members in it. So in this presentation, we will be covering the introduction part, the purpose, similarities and differences, into findings, implication of the studies of the stakeholders, and the conclusion. So I will be covering the introduction part, and my friends will be
Thank you, Tripti, for forwarding me to deliberate. I am Rajeev, student ID OAD 2277. I'm going to tell about the purpose of reporting environment and the conceptual framework. The main objective of these two articles are to examine as well as explaining the compound relationship that influence one firm for creation of performance, as well as the interest of the shareholders and stakeholders. Also, it is perspectives with relation to economic, social, as well as the constraint of corporate activities. It is evident from two journals that accounting has to perform in careful manner, and accountability reflects people's opinion about the actions for which they would be responsible. The conceptualizing the process of the value of the contemporary corporate also takes the risk in relation to the social, environmental, and governance to drive a perfect financial as well as non-financial strategy in making the financial reporting. On the other hand, the journal changes in the internal mechanism and integrated reporting, adopted new mechanism and the innovations to manage the reporting process of the financial statements in a right way. Now, my friend Sunil will tell about similarities and the differences of the findings.
Go. Thank you, Rajeev. Now I'm going to describe the similarities and difference in the two findings. As per the conceptualization, the process of the value of the contemporary corporate, it demonstrates the complex relationship among the external and internal relationship of a concern. Conceptualizing, the change in the internal mechanism and integrated reporting also provides an examination and investigation in the process of the financial reporting made by internal stakeholders. The process of the value of the contemporary corporates shows that the interview went with the directors who were non-executive in the listed company in the stock exchange. The change in the internal mechanism and integrated reporting. The interview went with the concerned organization where the interviews were done with the communicating managers and the financial managers. Now my friends Divyang will be continuing with the implication and studies on the stakeholders. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Divyang Johnny and my student number is DM8004. I'm going to discuss about the implication of the studies on the stakeholders. There are various types of stakeholders such as external and internals. External stakeholders conclude banking sectors and different communities, while internal sectors goes with the governments. And there are some major important factors of Australian companies which includes stakeholders. And the first aspect of this one is it's a usefulness. Australian standard of accounting provides different standards for different sectors, such as external extractor industries such as coal mines and the industries. for that industries, Australian standards have different standards, and for financial sectors such as banking, or for that one, they are providing different standards. uh, so the usefulness is a very important for aspect of that one. And the second one is it's prepared by the accounting of monthly or yearly. Accountant can prepare it on monthly or yearly. This is the main aspect of the accounting standards. So it gives many opportunities to accountant, like they can make it on a yearly basis or on yearly basis. Secondly, it is shown many accounting doesn't show companies liability in the financial statement. They used to hide it, but now accounting standard also provides some variation. They can also show it in liabilities, which is very good for companies and accountants as well. The regulators of the company are aspect of the publicly in the context of the AIC has decided to consult with the ASSB to derive perfect financial statements. Uh, that caters to financial formality of the concepts. As opined by the Baker and Barkle 2015, many accounting standards in Australia are used by regulators. In addition, the accounting standards needs to follow while preparing the financial statements. Thank you.
My name is Niyaz. My student ID is BSI 2303. I'm going to discuss about on the external stakeholders. In accordance to the opinion of Khan and the reporting standards in accounting, the accounting theory play an important role in regards to its usefulness on the part of investors. The accountants prepare a fair and true view of the financial statement of the concerns based on which the investor decides whether to invest in the concern to have a positive return on the short and the long run basis. Furthermore, my friend will discuss about the assignment.
Good morning, this is me, Dipendra Thapa. My student ID is GCB2079. Today, I'm going to presenting the conclusion part of our assignment about the accounting theory and current issue. To have a better idea about accounting and its implications towards various stakeholders, the internal stakeholders like employee, accountant of the organization, and the external stakeholders like investors, bankers, and the creditors of the organization, depending upon the statement of the company, and the suppliers and the customers, and designing a comparison between them. Thank you.